If you're experiencing billing issues with Lyft, it's important to address them promptly to ensure a smooth experience. Follow these steps to resolve any billing problems effectively. Step 1. Check your payment method. Review the payment method linked to your Lyft account. Ensure that the card or payment option is valid, has sufficient funds, and is not expired. Step 2. Review your ride history. Access your ride history in the app to identify any discrepancies. Look for charges that seem incorrect or rides you did not take, as this will help you pinpoint the issue. Step 3. Contact Lyft support. If you find an error, reach out to Lyft support through the app or their website. Provide them with details about the billing issue, including ride dates and amounts. Step 4. Follow up. After submitting your inquiry, keep an eye on your email or app notifications for response from Lyft support. If you do not hear back within a few days, consider following up to check on the status of your request. Step 5. Monitor your account. Once the issue is resolved, continue to monitor your account for any further discrepancies. If problems persist, repeat the previous steps or consider updating your payment method. By following these steps, you can effectively resolve billing issues with Lyft and ensure a better experience in the future.